Hello guys. So we are seeing the robot framework with Sikuli library automation, right? Here, the first thing is in first session we have seen about the robot framework Sikuli library automation setup, and we have seen few steps. So the mandatory is we required uh, PyCharm IDE and Python installation. So you can go and check in your PC control panel. So you can check in your system whether these two are available. In my system, I already installed Python. See, PyCharm is installed and Python is installed. Okay, so both are there. The preconditions are there. Now set up Intellibot plugin. Right? How to set up the Intellibot plugin? What are the advantages of Intellibot plugin setup? See, when we do setup of Intellibot plugin, so this will helps to support for writing the robot framework test cases. Okay, with the help of Intellibot, we are going with the robot framework, right? This is the plugin. Robot Intellibot plugin is must and should we should install. Second thing is keyword color changes. Whenever we are typing robot commands, right, there will be a color change. When we write the test cases, we will come to know. And intelligence. Intelligence means suppose already there are default robot commands, right? You no need to remember. If you use control space, you are going to get those kind of uh, uh, those kind of when you type control space now you will get the suggestions, auto suggestions of the robot framework keywords. Okay, so intelligence, this plugin has intelligence, that capability it has. Okay, now we will do the setup of Intellibot in our, say, launch the PyCharm. So I'm creating new project. Okay, PyCharm, a new project, create new project. So Python project, no, so name you can provide the Python project or robot framework. So name of the project, robot framework Sikuli, Sikuli library, by using Sikuli library automation. Robot framework Sikuli library automation. Okay, this is my project name, or a robot framework Sikuli library. That is fine. Okay. Okay. Location, you can save the location. Just use the name of the project. Okay. Okay. Name of the project inside this folder. No, you can provide name. Robot Sikuli, Sikuli automation, automation, test automation. Okay. So this one you can save here, and project let it be env. So it is detecting by default, detected from the system Python. So whatever the Python I have now, it detected by a, so Python dot execute this version, it will detect automatically. So create the project. So the project is created, creating virtual environment. Okay, once the project is created, so go to settings, file, settings. Here go to plugins, go to marketplace, and search here Intellibot. Intellibot. So here you can see two things. One is Intellibot Selenium library patched. One is Intellibot patch, right? So it is better to have Intellibot Selenium. Okay, so we can install this one. Okay, Intellibot Selenium. So you can install this Intellibot. So we are picking Intellibot Selenium library patched. Okay, install it. accept it. So just restart the IDE. Okay. See reloading generated skeleton. So here you can see it is restarting, right? Okay, exit and relaunch it. See Python 3.0 robot framework Sikuli library. So it is indexing. Let it take some time. So Python SDK. So scanning all the modules. Now we got see robot framework Sikuli library Python 3.0 version. The information you are seeing here. You can go here and check. Go to file settings, plugins, Intellibot. Okay, it got installed. Okay, you can see right. This got installed. Okay, this is our project. Yeah. We will see the next steps for the setup, and we will create test cases also today only. Okay, so we'll see. We'll meet in the next session. Thank you, guys.